Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to replace your laptop RAM. So this is the RAM which I will replace. So let's start. First, turn off your laptop completely. Now open your laptop from back side. So this is the back panel of my laptop. So I will open this screw. So I will use a screwdriver to open it. So this is the back panel. So this is my faulty RAM. So I will replace it with a new one. So I will open the lock. This is the new RAM. So install it. That's it. Now close your back cover. That's it. Now try to switch on the laptop to check. And you can see the display. Now wait for a few seconds. If you get this kind of post error, you can see enter reboot the system. So press enter to reboot your laptop. Press enter. Now wait for a few seconds and you can see the display. And you can see the issue has been resolved. Window is loading. That's it. This is all for the video. Thank you.